Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch your preferred browser and head to facebook.com. Log in if you haven't already. Step 2. Access settings. Click your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Go to Full Settings. Now click on Settings from the expanded menu. Step 4. Open Account Center. Look to the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down and click See More, then select Account Center. Step 5. Navigate to Security Settings. Inside Account Center, scroll down and choose Password and Security. Step 6. Start Password Change. Click Change Password. Select the Facebook Meta account you want to update. Security check. Facebook may send a verification code to your registered email. Check your inbox, grab the code, and enter it on the screen to continue. Set a new password. Once you're in, type your current password. Then enter your new password twice to confirm. Forgot your current password? Click Forgot Your Password and follow the steps to reset it. Optional, log out of other devices. You'll see a checkbox. Log out of Facebook on other devices. If you're worried about unauthorized access, keep it checked. Final step, click Change Password. That's it. Your Facebook password is now updated and secured. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.